Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Kevin and this is the Real Laptop Lifestyle. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can make high quality video without being on camera at all, or even using your own voice if you don't wish to. Now, you need to know there is no better way of getting your point across than by using video. People find them engaging, they're easy to watch, particularly on mobile devices while people commute to and from work. Nowadays, approximately 70% of all my visitors arrive via mobile devices. Now, I promise you that far more people will watch your videos than will ever visit your website pages. So if you're interested in generating online profits, then you really need to find a way of making high quality videos. I'm about to show you the perfect solution. For a long time, I had a lot of challenges creating video. Now, I don't mind being on video. What I find difficult is remembering what I want to say. For many years, I conducted live seminars and really enjoy being on stage, especially when I have a PowerPoint presentation or slides to keep me focused and to follow. However, for some reason, I find doing the same on video really difficult. By contrast, I prefer to script out my video well in advance, just so long as you can remember your script. Unfortunately, I can't. In fact, I think the best videos are always planned and scripted well in advance, and scripting works perfectly with this solution, the one I'm about to introduce to you. However, if I read my scripts on video, then I'm not looking directly into the camera, and that would soon be apparent and as if I was reading, which would sort of seem to be cheating. Right now, I'm using bullet points right underneath the screen here, which I refer to. So let me show you this far easier solution. Okay, first things first, I presume you've arrived here today because you're really interested in generating an income off the internet. If so, please just click the button directly below this video, the subscribe button, and then hit the little bell which is either above the screen or below it, and this will keep you notified every time a new video is made by me. Over the next few months I'll be making a lot of very helpful videos and you won't want to miss any of them. I've been using this exceptional piece of software for a number of years and it works perfectly. Just as many people will watch this type of video as the talking head type video you've just seen me in. I've done split tests and made the same video twice in these two different formats and found the profit potential is virtually the same from both. The tool which I'm using is called Content Samurai, and you can get a free trial of it by clicking on the link directly below this video. Let me show you how it works. So here we are in the back office of Content Samurai, and the first thing we have to do in this video making process is to create a template or select a template. Now you have got lots of templates to choose from. These are different styles, as you can see. Whatever videos is in the background, it's the text overlay here. So you've got lots to choose from. I would sort of go for this one. In fact, I think I'm going to use this one. But you've got videos for blogs. They say this is a blog video. It really doesn't matter which one you use. It's the one that you like, which attracts you, which you think will attract people's attention. You've got sales videos, and you've got videos for online courses. I've used quite a lot of these. This one at the top here I've used a lot and they go very well. You've even got property videos and you've got videos for social media. Okay, so the difference here is that this is a square video as opposed to a normal size video. Once you've done that, you add your script and give your video a title. So I've called this Kev's Test 1 and I wrote out a very short script which we're going to use right now. Now it's already put this together, and what's happened here on the first slide, it's taken the first bit of script. I wanted to make a quick Content Samurai video. Now you might wonder where it's got this picture from on the back, because this is an image and it selected it for you automatically, and it's looked at the keywords here, and because the word samurai from Content Samurai is there, it's used a Japanese castle. Now that's fine, but what I really want to do is I want this text a little bit lower down. By the way, what I should have said was we can make a video without any narration over it and just using text to tell the story, or we can narrate over the top, and that's what we're going to do. I'm going to make 2 videos for you, but I want to change this, so I'd like to move this down the bottom. I think that looks more dramatic. So when I'm happy with that slide, I move down to the next one, and on this occasion it's chosen to use the same background, and it won't be moving backwards and forwards. It will be a very smooth transition to give you an example of the quality you can expect, and as you can see, it's very good. So in fact, I'm going to show you how to make 2 videos using the same script. Now on this occasion it's selected a background video which is split into 4, as you can see. So I think that's very descriptive of what the story we're trying to tell, and I think it's used the same again on this next slide. One using my voice, I'm going to narrate one of these, and the other using an electronic voice, so you can see the difference. In fact, I should have said so you can hear the difference. I'm going to show you then how to add your script. Well, this is so easy you wouldn't believe. We'll do that next. Let's just go over the slides first, and then add images and videos. But you can see you can choose whether you want images or video clips. And if I was to say, give me another one, let's go for video. It's going to come up with loads. As you can see, it's loading lots of video, and I can use any of these, and this is why this is so quick to make. I can use clips, or I can use images, and now it's going to go and find some images for me. Sometimes it takes a second or two. What I should tell you is, because I'm videoing this is working a lot slower than if you're using it without videoing it at the same time. So okay, I think we've got all of the scenes in place. Let's move on to the next section, which is voice. Now on this occasion I'm going to add an electronic voice, and I don't know if you can actually hear this, but you have a whole choice of different voices you can use from around the world. So I'm going to use Harry, just for no other reason that I know Harry's quite a good one to use, and we could at this point, and this is how I will have to do it in just a moment, if you wanted to record your track, then you simply make that option and record these one at a time as you go along. So you click record and you just narrate that particular text, and then when that one's done, it brings up the next paragraph and the next paragraph and the next paragraph. That's how easy it is to record your own voice. So right now though, we're going to use the auto voice. So I'm going to say preview video, and I'm going to pause it at this point because it's going to take absolutely ages to get done. No, it's not. I thought it was, because we're videoing it. In fact, it's already done. So we just have a look at it. By the way, this is where we add music. At this point, we just come in here and we add some music. You've got loads and loads of music, or you can upload your own. So I don't know if you can hear this, so we'll start playing it. And as you can see, it's producing quite a nice video right now. Rather than go any further with this, I'm going to tell it to download this. So I click that button and now it's going to download, and there's a good reason why. This does take a few minutes to get done, probably 5 or 10 minutes, and I want to go back and I want to add a narration in there as well. So I'll see you back in the main side of the video in just a moment.
I wanted to make a quick content samurai video to give you an example of the quality you can expect. In fact, I'm going to make 2 videos using the same script, one using my voice, and the other using an electronic voice, so you can see the difference. I'm going to show you how to add your script, and then add images and video. Finally, I'll show you how to add audio and music soundtrack. And we're done. How long did this take? All I have to do now is to wait for the video to render before uploading it to YouTube. Job done.
I wanted to make a quick Content Samurai video to give you an example of the quality of sound that you can expect. In fact, I'm going to make 2 videos using the same script, one using my voice and the other using an electronic voice, so you can see the difference, or you can hear the difference. As you can see, anyone can make quality videos really quickly using Content Samurai, and you don't have to appear on video or even use your own voice if you're shy. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to speaking to you in another video shortly. Please remember to click on the link directly below this video and you will get a 7-day free trial of Content Samurai. Go and check it out for yourself. Have fun. Thank you. Bye-bye.